To illustrate, any other correction? Yes. After illustrate, we need a comma. We may not have mentioned this during when we're talking about the rules, but this is one introductory element. A to infinite phrase beginning a sentence when it doesn't function as a subject is usually marked up by a comma. So I have just introduced another rule now. A to infinity phrase which does not function as a subject of the sentence is usually marked up by the use of a comma. Then we move on to illustrate, comma. One day, any other one, not necessarily. If after one day we do not have another introductory element, one day may have a comma after it. But since there is another introductory element coming after one day that we're going to move on to soon, then we don't need a comma after that. So what is that? One day, while I was engaged in the house-to-house ministry. Now, we look at sentence 4. We take the reading from the next sentence to illustrate one day while I was engaged. Now, any correction here? Yes. If you look at this is personal pronoun I, and personal pronoun I's are always capitalized. So we need to make it a capital letter. So that is one correction there. Then we have while I was engaged in the house to house, we have this, and then we have correction on the 5th line. Now we have this hyphen to make a compound word. House to house is taken as one word there, and so we need to hyphenate them. Ministry with my friend. Now, so we are through with line 5. We are through with line 5. So we can take this as line 5. This is line 6. This is line 7. Okay, let's move on.